The 2026 Iveco S-Way represents a noteworthy evolution in the realm of heavy-duty commercial vehicles, incorporating advancements in both design and functionality. This latest iteration of the S-Way series prioritizes aerodynamic efficiency, with a refined exterior that enhances fuel economy while maintaining a modern and robust aesthetic. Additionally, the cabin has been re-engineered to optimize driver comfort, offering an ergonomically designed workspace with advanced digital instrumentation and infotainment systems. Such improvements reflect Iveco's commitment to enhancing long-haul driving experiences through a combination of practicality and innovation. From a performance perspective, the 2026 S-Way is equipped with a highly efficient powertrain that delivers superior torque and horsepower, ensuring robust performance across a variety of terrains and payload conditions. Moreover, the integration of cutting-edge driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and automated emergency braking, enhances overall safety and reduces driver fatigue. These technological enhancements align with industry trends emphasizing automation and sustainability, reinforcing Iveco's role as a leader in next-generation trucking solutions. However, despite its many advantages, certain areas warrant further refinement. Some drivers have reported that the digital dashboard display, while sophisticated, could benefit from improved readability, particularly in high-glare conditions. Additionally, the positioning of the camera-based mirrors has been noted as potentially obstructive in tight maneuvers. Furthermore, the side sensor alerts, while essential for safety, have been described as excessively loud, which may lead to driver distraction. Nevertheless, the 2026 Iveco S-Way remains a formidable competitor in the heavy-duty truck segment, demonstrating a well-balanced integration of performance, comfort, and state-of-the-art technology.